Digital health and health tech are topics more and more important globally, also in my country, Finland. In December 2020, we had a business delegation of 46 medtech companies visiting Hainan's Mlecheng International Medical Pilot Zone. This visit is an example of a mutually beneficial cooperation that continues also today.
We have some very important companies in Germany in the health sector who are also investing a lot in China, and I think these opportunities are very attractive.
We in Belarus are very well aware of the existence of such a pilot zone, which is unique not only to the China per se, but also to the international environment. We had previously had several visits to this Baodachen zone, and we must say that we inherited some of the experience accumulated here in terms of policies regulating provision of medical services